I'm a bit upset. I was doing free code camp. I filmed about 15 minutes of it, and tell me why I didn't have my face in the camera. I don't know why it wasn't there. If it's not there again, I'm just simply gonna upload this without my face. But that really hurt my feelings. Like, I'm pissed. But all right, we're on to the next. So in your marker CSS rules, set the height property to 25 and the width. Okay. So we're gonna do that. Damn, and it was such a good video too. I hate when things like that happen, but it's to the best of us. Also, too, it was kind of boring because I just got into this new one and I had to end it right when I got to it. So I guess, technically it's not too bad that this is what I'm doing. The only thing is that I liked that I mentioned though, right now we're trying to make markers by the way, but the only thing that I liked that I had mentioned was the fact that I feel like I'm struggling with the concept of CSS. Like it's not necessarily that I can't understand CSS, but that when I do it, I don't know what I'm doing. And I don't know if that's normal for coders when they're making a website, where it's like, like I understand width, I understand height, I know how to move certain things. I just actually learned something recently that they just taught me. I didn't write it down yet, but I do need to write it down. And I actually just learned something that was like, oh, okay, that's good to know. But then again, I did just get into CSS like 3 to 4 days ago, so I don't know why I'm expecting to be able to just know how to do certain things. But it'd be bothering me because I was trying to make like a profile picture. So I had the profile picture here. I had to look it up how to make it a circle. I didn't know what to do. Is margin. So they want us to center your marker, set it to margin property to auto. This sets everything to auto. Okay, yes, I actually just learned that when I was learning something new that I can't wait to make into a video. I haven't learned it completely, but when I do, it's going to be a video. So now that ends up putting it all in the middle. That's actually pretty good to know as well. I can't wait to take a note about that one because that was something I was struggling with, was getting certain things in the middle. But I did figure it out. At least, but I figured it out in a different way. I didn't have to do margin. Now that you've got one marker centered with the color, it's time to add the other marker. So in the container div, add 2 more divs and give them each a class of marker. Okay, so all I heard was copy and paste, and then it's okay, copy and paste. And then we're going to close that. We're going to, is it not? Like, what do we, what? Okay, whatever, we're okay. We're okay, we did it. It took time, but we did it. Now, while you have 3 separate marker elements, they look like one big rectangle. Thank you. You need to add some space. So, with the margin for marker, we are going to do 10px. So instead of auto, set the margin property 10px. Oh, 10px auto. Damn, I didn't know you could do stuff like this. That's what I'm saying. Like, there's a lot to learn with CSS that I think I'm really gonna like. It might stress me out, really. Like, I'm gonna look up how long it should take to understand CSS because HTML was easy, you know, to get the words out, but with CSS, man, to like do a certain style, really, it's like you need to know for real. Ugh, I'm already thinking about it getting stressed, but I gotta just keep pushing. To give the markers different colors, damn, my chest kind of hurt. Hold up. To give the marker different colors, you still need to add a unique class to each one. Multiple classes can be added to an element in the class attribute and separating them with a space, for example, in the following blah blah blah. So to begin, add the class 1 to the first div to the wait, what? So 1. Oh, we are goaded like that. I'm just kidding. So next, remove background color. Okay, I figured. I didn't. I actually didn't figure whatsoever. I had no figuring. I had no figuring in me. And the fact that I filmed 15 seconds, 15 minutes, you know what? Because I'm gonna be here anyway, I'm gonna film 15 minutes. The only thing is that I haven't been taking notes, and normally I like to take notes of each step, even if it's like a simple step, just so I can, know what I did. And I probably did around 30 of them just now, from my last one to this one. So I'm kind of that's a thing in its own. Also filming a vlog right now, y'all. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy work? I'm filming a vlog and I'm talking with y'all right now. That is so dope. I posted my first vlog and y'all ate. Y'all loved it. Then create a new CSS that targets 1. Okay, we got that. And we're gonna put the background color to, oops. red, close that out. Bammers. Oh, that's nasty. So we gotta do that to all of them now. So now put one next to everyone. Oh wait. Nope. They want two. And then they want three. Okay, okay. Because that wasn't what I was about to do. No cat. That wasn't what I was about to do. I was gonna put one everywhere. Now to create a CSS rule that targets the class 2 and sets the background color to green, basically, and then also do another one. Okay, so this should be pretty simple. We're gonna do background color green. Close that out. And then we're gonna do 3 background color blue. Close that out. Enter. 8:55. Alrighty, we're 8 minutes in, about to be 9. Oh, that's actually pretty sick. We got 3 colors. It looks like a flag. That's what we got. There are 2 main color models, the additive, red, green, and blue model used in electronic devices, and subtractive, which is cyan, magenta, yellow, black model used in print. So in this project, you'll work with the RGB model. This means that colors begin as black and change as different levels of red, green, and blue are introduced. An easy way to see this is with the CSS RGB function. I'm going to lose my mind. Actually, you know what? I used this one time, and it was by accident because I think ChatGPT gave me the code, and when they put that down, I was like, what the hell is this? So this is good. This is actually really good that this is something I'm learning. I hate that I'm moving kind of quick right now, but listen, it's pretty good. So to create a new CSS rule that targets the container, set its background color to background. Oops, background color equals 4 equals actually what am I don't equal nothing, but I shouldn't be talking that way. I was playing around. Hopefully they wrote that correctly, because if they didn't, then we don't understand. Okay, that's something crazy. I don't know what that means. Okay, okay, hold on. So function is a piece of code that can be, how did I even highlight like that? Can we do that again? That's kind of sick. That's kind of sick. Okay. So where did everything go? Oops, I lost my, okay. So a function is a piece of code. The CSS RGB function accepts values or arguments for red, green, and blue. Each red, green, and blue value is numbered from 0 to 255. 0 means that there is 0% of that color and black, and is black. 255 means that there's 100% of that color. Wow. In the one CSS rule, replace the color keyword and just put RGB. Oh, no, replace red with RGB function. Set the value for red to 255. Excuse me. Sorry about that, y'all. I still did it wrong. If it's exactly what I think it is, I'm done. A space makes a difference. In coding, a space makes a damn difference. I'm not gonna lie, I got a headache. So we're gonna end up ending this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know y'all aren't gonna see the finished project of these markers. Actually, I might show y'all the finished project, but y'all are probably not gonna see the whole entire thing. So I'm gonna end up ending this video right here. If you guys have any tips in the best way I can learn CSS, whether it is, continuing a free code camp or because I think free code camp, the rest of this is going to straight up just be HTML and CSS. So I feel like I should already kind of get a glimpse of it. But what projects should I end up doing? Because I'm having trouble with thinking of projects with CSS because I don't know what to do. Like, I am struggling. I really am when it comes to CSS. I am about 4 days in, but technically I had review days, so that means I didn't really do nothing. I just reviewed what I did. So I'll probably say still like 2-ish, 3 days in. But it's tough, man. It is tough. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below. Do y'all love these type of videos? Like a little bit of a study session with me. I'm trying to make different type of content. So I have vlogs. Hopefully should be coming out every Friday or like every Saturday, like basically around that point. I'm gonna have sit down honest talk videos. One of them I'm about to make right now. Or not right now, but tomorrow. And then I'm also going to do what is it? I'm also going to do vlogs, sit down talk videos, study sessions, and then the next two should be like projects, probably debugging code, learning something new. I'm trying to think of what number 7 was. It was something different, but yeah. So hopefully you all end up enjoying this new type of content. It's not necessarily exactly planned to the T because I do have another vlog that I'm filming now because I love filming vlogs, and y'all seem to have loved it too. So, just let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all enjoy this type of content, man, give me some tips, y'all. Give me some tips, and especially too, there's someone that always be commenting. I think the comment name is Waldo. Oh, he be eating with the comments. He be giving me some great advice. Well, actually, I don't know if this is a boy or girl, so I don't want to say he, but I think it's a boy, right? Waldo. I think so. I'm not too sure, but they'll be dropping some good tips in the comments. So if you're watching this video, let me know. Let me know a better way to learn CSS because a girl is struggling out here. Deuces.